Hello my friends, I'm making this video just to say how sorry I am and how sadly I feel about this catastrophic event that took place in Germany, all these floods. Just wanted to let you know that I have family and friends who live in this area near Bonn, Koblenz, Köln. I just hope they all, some of them I've been able to contact, and they send me some footages, and I want to share this footage with you. I just want to wish all my friends and family in Germany and German people in general, please stay safe, stay strong, and hope you guys recover very soon from such disaster.
Tja, was ist die A heute? Ein reißender Fluss hat Häuser weggerissen, Menschen getötet, Brücken weggerissen, Autos da aufgestapelt da oben.
Pretty horrible event. Very, very sorry again for the entire Germany. Feel for you guys. Again, please stay safe. The saddest part, I recognize the places where I used to walk. Horrible, 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 horrible. Please stay safe, and always with you. Thank you.